Top live chat. Alright, so this should actually work. Onto the first server, I guess. Nothing on this server. That not work? That's dumb. Is leap year? This is the dumbest project ever. I bet. Is there a literal whole extension for this? Just get like a block and say like add 4, add 4, add 4, add 4, and then keep repeating and seeing if just get the and see if it's like make a list of leap years and see if it's equal to 1. Imagine getting a whole extension for that. I don't understand what's the point of 4. Laddie daddy yo, welcome. How do you like remove projects? This one like failed. Can I report my own project? I want to get rid of this. It doesn't work. How do I... I don't know. I'll just leave it up. No, I'll just say it's not working. What else can I do? What else can I do? Not working. Don't mind this. Alright, let's get to coding. What should we code? That's a good idea. What should we code? Or what we code? Oh my god. It's just like an AI image generator. Like it's probably just gonna have like basic code, right? You really only need one extension. It's really easy to use. It's probably just probably like a good UI. Use utils. Generate cheese. Why is this here? You don't need this. It's not that hard. We got 6 people watching. Make a calculator? Sure, why not? I want to say it's a dumb thing, but I really have nothing else to do. Literally nothing else. So let's do this. All right, let's get a block first, just like a square. Let's just make a square. Day and night, what? Huh? I like want to sit, like, how do I get a good position for this? That's the and see chat at the same time. Because if I do this or something, it's just gonna fall. Oh my gosh, that's gonna fall back. You know what? You can chat here. You can see what the code. You can see the code. I think that's the most important point of this. So let's go make a sprite. Should I make all of the symbols smiley faces that will haunt you? Probably not. So let's not do that. Let's make a... That's cool, you can do that. But we're just wanting straight up squares. So we'll make a square. And here is our beautiful square. Perfect. I like the old one better, but... Alright, let's make this. Let's just do like a classic black style. Okay, so we'll do one like let's get like a decent X. So like 60 maybe? Sure. And then I'm gonna Y at 30. And then we can just copy on. So let's get a calculator out so we know what we're working with. We'll probably just hold the stuff in a list and then go one by one. But I also know something. There is this, if we go to operators expansion, there's a literal block that just solves the math problem. Where you can just do like 5 times 2 plus... Guys, don't fight, please. I don't know if it uses like bed mass, whatever you want to call it. But, alright, so here's how we're going. I just want an image of a calculator. So I know I don't forget stuff. Okay, here we go. Image of a... I don't care about getting cash back. I do not want your cookies. Goodness gracious, I just want to get an image of a calculator. Holy, how much does it take to get an image of a calculator nowadays? So these are just like memory. We don't need those. Plus that. So how big are we in this? So we're going to do that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then we're going to do like a 0, a point. And we can add like something else there. Alright. So let's choose a font. I'm not going... I have like a custom like font. But just like a pixel font. Pixeloid Sans. We don't need a Pixeloid Sans, so we'll just go our whatever black 7. Okay, that we cannot see that. Let's make there we go. Now we have a 7. Yay. Broken Vessel green scree plush. What? So now we have that there. We'll just do like 7. We'll name it 7. Now this is going to be 8. And we'll change this. This is going to be crazy, guys. This might actually be kind of crazy, but we're changing this to an 8. Let's get like the same vowels here. And let's see how much we have to move it over. Let's try X by 20. So that's 60. Let's try 100. Oh, I'm on the wrong thing. Oh, shoot. Shoot. Nope, the 7's supposed... Okay. Let's try by 40. Let's try by 40. Let's try by that much. I'll just keep going like X by something. So, change X by -1. But. Alright. So 144 minus 60 is 84. So we're going to need to change it by 84 every time. Now to make the 9, that means we're going to need this to be, wait, how long would we change it by again? 84. So 198. Alright, I might have done a little bit of miscalculating. 1, 4, I'll try, I guess I can make it so you can, like, see what's literally going on over here. So let's try to figure this out. Why isn't this stupid thing working? Alright. I guess let's just miss it only by, okay, 80, let's go 85. Let's go 175. 174. Bop, 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 bop. Alright. We'll turn this into a 9 now. Nice. So I'll just make like a list. Should I make like a list or a variable of the current problem? I guess I can go letter by letter of a variable, but I'm just gonna do a list since I'm bored. Sorry guys, I'm good now. Anyways, as I was saying, we're going to make a list. Let's name this A. Very good list name. It's kind of simple, but we're going with it. So we have a list over here now. So let's just make it when we, okay, so obviously we're just going to make background. It's going to clear everything of A. Obviously. Now, we're going to make it so when it's clicked, it adds something. So, when clicked, where is one sprite clicked? Oh, I'm on the stage. We're going to add 7. And on this one, we're going to add 8. Son, well, I'm already getting bored. And we're going to add 9. So, shoot, I messed that up. 65, 68, 75, 73, 72, 71, 170, 169. I already messed up the sprites, of course I did. 167. We're gonna... Why am I programming a calculator? Alright, done. Enter a math problem. 2 plus 7 minus 0. 9. Now what, chat? Do everyone else? I think I am speaking in hieroglyphics. I don't know for sure that's hieroglyphics. I think it's just the Moai emoji. So. I want to make a multiplayer game, and I did make something, but it was it just didn't know for some reason. So let's try to. I found an original video. You're supposed to use an object. I don't know how to use a JSON object. That dumb channel, you better. What do you mean?
I'm also making our player point.
Okay, how do I data packet?
So example, I'm gonna set then do your movement code.
Alright, let's see how we do this.
The move around before they're actually connected to the game server. And then technically they can get head start on positioning compared to other people. But again, that's kind of nothing. Okay, so next we're gonna create a new variable called data packet. This is gonna be storing what we do to this.
So it's like actual quad I can like see with my eyes.
Player data. So let's make a new block here called update player packet. Run without screen refresh.
That's probably what I need. Screen refresh.
Next, we're going to set variable data packet to, instead of being 0, we're going to set to a new JSON object. If you don't know what JSON object is, it's kind of like a list from scratch, but instead of having the values in it be assigned a number, so instead of like the first item being 0, you could give them names. For example, I could have a item, or let's say we could have our an item in our list that its X position equals the value instead of being a number like lists have. And you can set these. They're called keys instead of just having your assigning numbers. So example, I'm going to set the key in the JSON object to this value. And so I'm going to set data packet equal to. And then I'm going to grab
just
data
got the
packet,
number
and
of something instead of 2.
Equal to something else. But instead we're going to set the ID of this data packet equal to our username we set earlier. Like so. And now when we do this, we'll add a ID attribute to our data packet. Next, you can duplicate this and also set the type of this data packet. And we're going to say player data. And this is just so we can send different types of data and not always think that data is always for player data. So we can set other stuff such as like, oh, such and such got a kill. So it's not going to be like, oh, let's try moving them to the position just because they got a kill or something. Next, we're going to set the X of this equal to this person's X position. And then do the same thing for the Y.
This is basically what I did.
Set to the Y position. And if I look at my notes here, this should be everything. Yep, that's really it. Okay, once you do that, we can come over here and we'll go when you've clicked forever if linked to rooms. We're going to update player packet, and then we're going to send this player packet variable. So look for the send block, or you can search it right here. And what we're going to do is send player, or send the data packet. And make sure you put a second or a delay after, or you can overload the server. This means, yes, it will have a delay, but this keeps the server from freaking out. If you want, you can string game ADIG 0.05, well, that's good or not, but let's just do that for now. And again, we'll make things later down the road to make scripts, or not scripts, but like make stuff to make it smoother for our player moving. I'm also make our player point in the direction of my mouse just for game niceness. But anyways. Okay, next what we're gonna do is actually my notes here. Okay, so right now we're gonna do this. Well, we need to instance or create a new clone for the player who has just joined. So for that, what we're going to do here is we're going to, so when I receive football data, we're going to do an if statement here. We're going to go if, and we're going to have to grab, I think, 3 ands. Yeah, grab 3 ands here, or 2, I mean, my bad. Put them inside of each other. And first things first, we're going to have to check if not value of, so come in here, it should be in this JSON strings area, value of key, and then this JSON object here. We need to check make sure that the value ID in global data, and again, if you don't know what global data or any of this stuff, just go watch my last video. But we need to check if the value ID in global data is equal to, and then our username. This will basically make sure that the data packet that was just sent isn't us who sent it.
So basically, you could just get an array, and then you can just get item 1 and assume it's that.
So
What'd I do wrong
this
here?
data is not us who sent it. Okay. And then we actually need to create a new list here.
I was also thinking in my notebook at school about this.
Game. So make a list called players, create it, and then what we need to also check is make sure that value of ID in global username, or global data, I mean, is not contained in our players list. So grab another knot. And then last but not least, we need to double check that this is actually some player data. So grab this equals again, you can just duplicate from over here, and basically just again check if a value, instead of ID, you want to check if the type is equal to player data. Remember, we did this earlier up here, we set type and data packet equal to player data. So just throw that over here, and I'll make sure this is true. We don't want to not this. Because we want to check if the value ID is not equal to our username, so it's not us who sent this. Make sure that our list does not contain this player already, and that this type is a player data type. If so, then we want to go like this. Drag this if statement or long statement into this if block here. And pull my notes up again. Come on. Okay. If so, then we're going to want to add this player to it. So grab add value ID in global data to players. And create a clone myself. Okay, and once you do that, let's grab a 1x start as clone and do our clone code. Okay, so create a new variable for this clone, make a new variable for this create only, and call it ID. Then what we want to do is set ID equal to value of ID in global data. Being that we just created this inside of this when we received data, global data, this we shouldn't be too slow to set our ID to the ID of what we're supposed to be setting to. After this, then we should go forever block, and then we're going to have to check if the value, again, is player data of the current thing. So I forgot to grab the if block here. So we go forever if player, grab the equals here. I'm going to duplicate this to save time. So if value of type in global data is equal to player data, and value of ID in global data is equal to not username but our ID, so this clone's ID. So the person who sent this data right here is this clone, or the player this clone is supposed to be. Then do this next code. And then we're going to want to go if, and we want to go inside of our JSON function and grab a key value contains key, and it wants us to check if global data contains X, and if it contains a Y. Grab an and, put them both in here. And then if so, we want to grab value X and Y, and we're going to want to glide to that position. Now obviously we're not going to always do this because it has a bigger delay, and it doesn't actually look super smooth. We're going to add some stuff to make it look smooth down the road, but for now this is just to get the multiplayer. So now it is a delay of 0.1 seconds to kind of just give it some time to actually glide.
So, glide. Let's see if that fixes my stupid problem. Glide 2. Glide 2. Anything else?
And then next we want to come to if and put it outside of this other if statement. So just inside the for loop, and we're going to check not if this ID is connected, or ID another name connected, what shows up as is connected to this player clone. So basically, if this person that this clone is supposed to be is no longer connected to the game, remove that player from the players list and then delete this clone because he's no longer in our game. And then outside of both of these, just inside the forever loop, we're going to always save this clone's ID so we can see people's username. And that's it for multiplayer. Super simple, or for the most part, I recommend just looking at this, messing around with it, testing it. But yeah, so if you want to test it, come up here, go to File, and then Package, so yeah. The .html file. Double click it, it'll open up in your browser. To the game server, enter username, this guy over here will be gone. Move my character around nice. I can come over here, start this one, connect to the game server. It's gonna ask for a name. This guy will be just the crazy dev. Username is set. As you see, over here on this one, player is added, the crazy dev, and over here, Bob is added. And if I move on here, it moves our player on this screen. As you see, the rotation isn't being transferred, so we didn't add that as part of our.
Let's try this. Let's get 2 of these open. Let's test. Right. No. Nobody is moving. All right. So, if that does not equal the username, maybe we need to use temporary vars. Set test to global data. And now we'll try this. Test and test. Now let's upload these edits. And let's copy and make a new one. Hopefully maybe it'll work this time. Right. New user. Another new user. Right. Let's go over here. Let's go! Let's go! Temporary variables worked! Temporary worked! Temporary worked! Let's go! Alright, maybe we don't need it adding to the list. Since that's kind of... Alright, we can stop. We can stop adding this to the list. Send an array username. Alright. Let's remove this. Charlie, since I don't know how to, like... I'll try some different servers. And I'll see which one works the best. 1 second. So, let's try this now. Let's upload these edits again. Wait, did I change anything? No. So, let's again, oh yeah, let's do this, load, let's try again. Only thing I need to do is like when a player joins and leaves, but besides that, we're good. Let's move over here. So it's not smooth at all. So this child data server is not working. What about what about Turbo Warp data? Let's try Turbo Warp data next. Might be faster, I don't know. And other people might also be on this as well. I don't know. It's every time I update it, it shows in the new tab. So, and it's decently popular. So, let's try this again. Huh? Huh? Not connecting. How did it fail to connect? So yeah, no, that's not working really. So, let's do another idea. Let's code something else. Chat, what should we code? Chat, what should we code? My life. I mean, it can only go to like 45 megabytes, so. Ooh, what about a gaming console? Okay, I've seen things called a profile picture. What do you mean, like, code me drawing your profile picture? I can do that, but, like, I can do that, actually. AI game generator? I think a gaming console would be cool, though. People like, wait. What about a scratch station? Scratch station. No way. There's actual, like, things, but, like, this is gonna take forever to load the sprites. Use Turbo Warp for smoother experience. True. I'll use Turbo Warp. Also, I'm gonna turn the camera around. My cat's he chilling. How you doing, Luke? Say hi to viewers. Luke. You're just bathing. You want to say hi to viewers? You're on YouTube. Yeah, he doesn't care. Make scratch and scratch. No. Yo, chat. Yeah. Is this actually like? Why are all these currently unavailable? Is this? No. How do you, like, load it, though? That's actually kind of cool, though. I have to use like ZNX for Osu. How though? Oh! There's lots of blocks, so. Like, how do you, like, run a game? What code runs if I hit this? If launcher game selected, change it by 1. Add your own game button script. Hey, how do you do that though? How do you like actually make that like? That's actually cool though. That's actually like cool though. So like. How do games like that work? Okay, sorry, I have not been keeping up the chat. Yeah, I stream using OBS Studio. I tried it before. It runs at like 15 FPS. Like not even. Like I swear, I get like 2 frames every 5 seconds. When I'm not even exaggerating, bro. Like when I receive game 3. So if I just broadcast game 3, this will run. Will it? Huh? Like, I don't understand. Like, how do you make it, like... It's just so cool, though. Like... Can you get your live permission taken off by your voice? Well, apparently YouTube doesn't care about that, but if I show my face for 1 millisecond, then I'm gone. Even though I'm over 13. So, I'm not doing that again because I've gotten removed 2 times. I bet the 3rd time they're going to take it away permanently. So, I do not even understand how this works. I am going to challenge myself to do it. In Scratch. Just kidding, I'm using Penguin Mod. Ain't no way I'm making it in the... Alright, but anyways... I'm gonna see if I can get this to work. I'm gonna turn this around and you can get... Guys, you can get the cat cam for a sec. I need to check something. I was once talking to somebody on how to make, like, a loading screen work, but... I know it's background. I'm figuring out something. Alright. So, guys, let's make a name. I don't really know what to do, so I'm literally going to use an AI extension since I'm so bored. So, what am I? Make a name for a gaming console. That is Penguin related. Penguin Play. That's pretty good. I just do Penguin Play. Introducing the Penguin Play. Alright, let's make the penguin. Alright, so, let's make some, okay, so let's, make some goals. Alright? So, first thing is we're gonna need a decent menu. 2 is an actual working loading screen and game quitting. So basically, if like you want to quit the game or something, I'm thinking if you want to quit the game, you can like hit the pause button or like make a button. And then 3, fully import a game and it works successfully. All right. All right. So, I don't think I could. Well, I'll just make it so like it's gonna go here. So let's get some like UI. Let's get some UI. What sounds do I have that be good? How about this? Maybe not that one. Camellia Flamewall, Jason Derulo, All My Fellows, Oppenheimer. Oh my gosh, what was this? At the Speed of Light, Galaxy Meme, probably my biggest beat. Waluigi Wah sound effect. I Miss the Rage, Poo Cubed. No sound effect. Subway Surfers. Boy with Uke. Aerial Gleam. Slaughterhouse. Final Destination. More Slaughterhouse. What do I do? Should I just do Jason Derulo? Oh god, copyright. Oh my goodness. Good thing I did not play that. Oh my gosh. I really just got copyrighted. Oh, okay. I hope that's not copyrighted either.
Attention.
Alright, let's just see if there's like any themes. No. Yeah, that is kind of chill. I'm gonna turn this down a bit. The kitty's sleeping. I'm not showing my face because of YouTube, but I just want to pet my cat. You want your window, buddy? There you go. And then my live streaming permit takes it. Oh, gets taken away. Oh, yeah, okay, so. No. 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 Death scene? No. No. Yes, this is fine. Get until stop music. Now do a repeat until stop music equals true. So basic system. And now make it stop how sounds. So when we hit this, it's just gonna stop. Because we do this. So let's see while we do this. So we'll worry about that later. So let's just make a menu system. So to make a game, or to, they use like a custom background for that, or I don't know. So we'll just make a. So first off, what game are we going to? Show. What game are we going to make? Like, play. Jailbird Legacy? Jailbird wait. Let's do 3D boss. It's an easy one. So, what do we need to show? I guess we only need to show timer. We need something that says we can, like, toggle the timer. I'm going to make a suggestion to do this. So we have this. Just show my on your webcam. This is not a webcam. It's just my device. Tablet. So I'm seeing the game I have uses a timer, and I only want it to be visible at a certain amount of point because you don't just want to see a random timer in the menu, right? So I'm going to see if I can get that. I'll check back at it later, but for now, let's do another game. Let's just do physics sandbox. Simple enough game, it's just a physics sandbox. So, let's get this. So, we can do that. Cool. So, we're just going to... Let's add the game. Now, we're going to add this, and we're going to add this. So we're going to hide this. Hide. Game 1. So let's just find what this backdrop color is anyways. So I'll just copy this, except I'll change the color with the 56.9 60 100 100. All right, we're good. Where the no? Where did it go? Oh, I switched over games. Okay, that scared me. So we're gonna switch backdrop to main. And just like do that. We'll do like the stop music stuff later. Game 1 selection. Alright. Physics sandbox. And just copy this over here and paste it. Copy this, paste that. Paste it. Let's add another little one over there. Oh my god, I forgot I was streaming. Let's go copy this. And we'll go do 2 pastes. So I guess we'll just add it right there. So we can just add it right there. Hey, no fighting. No thank you. Just going to see game 1. Alright. Going to make it so so let's just going to copy this. Oh no, not like that. Okay, wait, no. We're gonna paste this. I'm gonna make this a little bit bigger. And then we're just going to like just get rid of this and everything. I'm just gonna add like main and then hover. I'm going to delete this. This is going to be the hover. So we're going to get this. The outline just going to be white. Feels also just going to be white. We can like put it like over. No, that's not gonna work. It's fine. Yeah, just have like a tick sound, like a. Just get like the game of like if it's like loading or like just. I don't know. hide and then switch background to loading. Let's go to loading background. So just reset all game 1 sprites. Then we'll broadcast. Load game 1. Game 1. Change game 1 sprites by 1. Change. Wait until equals to now background. Oh, alright, we gotta show the sprites actually. And there's more events. Where's like when the little pause button? What can it be now? What can it be now? Who can it be now? Slot games. We're at a decent menu and actually working loading screen and game quitting and imported game, and it works successfully. We have done everything. We have officially made a gaming system. Yeah. So, and you also need to call this loading. I'm gonna answer him. I'm not getting any